Okay.
13 today.
What?
You did 13 today yet?
13? Huh. Well, no, I did.
Okay, so it's,
No,
no, it's not.
but I can do it. Okay, so on 12, the minute hand of a clock is 9 inches long. The center of the clock is placed on a wall 2 feet above the shelf. Guys, anytime they tell you this part, center of the clock, the center of the bicycle pedal thing, what are they giving us on this graph? No. They're giving us that middle dash line. When they tell us the center, you have that. Now, it's 2 feet above the wall, but the actual minute hand on the clock is 9 inches. So what should we put here? What's the middle?
Or 24.
24. So think about the clock, right? So this is the center of the clock, and it's 24 above the shelf, right? So what is this part right here?
It's the
9.
So it's 9
inches below.
9 inches below that. So what is 9 inches below 24? 15. And then if the minute hand is up here at the 12,
It would be 30.
it would be 33. Good. And so what do we know?
It's
It says T equals 0 represents noon. Or it could be 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. It's just on the hour. So at noon or at 1 o'clock, whatever. Whoops, I don't know why I put that there. There's not a point there.
would it be at its highest, which is starting?
Yeah, because it's pointed up, right? So at 0 hours, we are at its highest. When's the next time we're going to be at that high?
At
How much later? 60 minutes later, right? 60 minutes later, we're going to be back up here at 33 inches above the shelf. When are we going to be at our lowest?
30.
Yeah, 30 minutes when we're pointing straight down or at the 6, right? So here's our graph. Ooh. So just like on the others, we have to find A, B, H, and K. Do we have an H? Are we translated any left or right?
No.
What about up?
Yes.
How much do we translate up for K?
Or from the.
It's this line. This is K.
No.
It's 24.
I knew that.
K is the average or the center. So A, you should know what A is just by how much did we move above the dash line or below? 9. So A is just the length of the minute hand, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then what about B?
2 pi over 60.
2 pi over 60, which is
Pi over 15.
pi over, how about 30?
Oh,
Sine or cosine?
yeah. Cosine.
Sine.
Sine.
Cosine.
Cosine.
Oh.
You're right.
And is A going to be positive or negative?
Positive.
Yeah, we're going to start up here at the top, so it is positive. So 9 cosine B, which we got to be pi over 30. We didn't translate any left or right, but you can put that x in parentheses if you want. And then we translated up 24. So for C, how far above the desk is the minute hand 33 minutes after the hour? What are we thinking?
Oh,
Anyways, what are we gonna do? No, I didn't hear it, but I'm getting text messages.
Oh.
Just never goes home.
No, I don't.
I was actually 12-year-old.
I am.
Okay, What are we gonna do on this? Are we doing this?
Yes,
If we were gonna, we don't have to do it, but if we were gonna do it, what would we do here?
it would be trays for X.
Yeah, just use trace and type in 33. What about D?
Why?
Yeah, we would do y equals 30. So that's gonna be this line here. So how many answers should we have there? 2 answers, right? We're gonna find this intersection and that intersection. Okay, and then Rig wanted to do the last problem.